Ayubovan. Today my lesson is Local Government Institutions, Grade 9, Citizenship Education. First we will see what are local government institutions. Local government institutions may comprise of municipal governments, Board of Education, district health boards and a variety of other special purpose institutions. Sri Lanka's local government institutions are guided by the central government. There are three main institutions under the central government: Municipal Council, Urban Council, Provincial Council. Daily requirements of a country are fulfilled by these institutions, such as health, sanitation, waste disposal, disease control, safety and security, and other essential services. Necessity of the local government institutions. You can see it in the diagram. Expansion of democratic ruling up to the regional level, acting suitably to match the regional requirements, easy maintenance of community services methodically, accelerating national development through regional development, easy preparation of national policies based on regional policies. Now the other side, easy administration of regional administrative affairs through decentralizing central government's affairs, expansion of youth participation in political leadership, ability to build future political leaders through regional level, and ability to act quickly in emergency situations. So those are the main necessities of the local government institutions of the country. Now we will see what are the first municipal councils in Sri Lanka. You can see the three municipal councils, first one in Colombo, the other one in Galle, and the last one in Kandy. You can see the images very well. Now we will see the historical evolution of local government. Local government institutions in Sri Lanka commenced during the British rule. They had a regional administration due to the plantation economy. They are developed infrastructure like roads and communication. Shifting to towns due to more facilities increase in population in urban areas lead to gradual development of local government institutions. Regulations brought by the British. First one, establishment of municipal councils in 1865 AD in Colombo, Kandy and Galle under the Municipal Council Ordinance number 17. Establishment of village councils in 1875 AD under the Village Council Ordinance number 26. Establishment of town councils in 1940 AD under the Town Council Ordinance number 61. Last, establishment of urban councils in 1946 AD under the Ordinance number 3. So those are the regulations brought by the British. After independence from British ruling, local government institutions functioned in 4 councils such as village councils, rural councils, urban councils and municipal councils. Afterwards, in 1980, in the year 1980, by the Regulation number 35, abolished village and rural councils and established district development councils. Established village-based councils and divisional-based councils to promote more participation in district development councils. Regulation number 15 of 1987 abolished the district development councils and established provincial councils. Accordingly, after 1987 in Sri Lanka, Pradeshiya Sabha, urban councils and municipal councils are under operation. Local government institutions function in Sri Lanka as at 1st May 2017. You can see the table where all the provinces, districts, number of municipal councils, number of urban councils, Pradeshiya Sabha being shown in the table very well. Just observe it and get a clear picture about local government institutions in Sri Lanka.